garantiid ka või? Garantiiad?
Paudid ära ja siis see pani juba eest läbi.
Et põnev on olnud, olen match race inud Raineriga ja nüüd viimane sõit olid ka mõned teised seal eespool, et väga põnev on olnud.
Kas sa loodad regatti võita?
Jaa, kindlasti. Siiamaani on 4 võitu 5.
Well, I'm leading right now. We have had 5 races and I have won 3 of them and 2 times second. And my son is second and my daughter is third. I'm not shaming if my son will, if he would will win.
Quite tough competition with my father, left Finn 6. Good competition and very interesting conditions compared to Finland. So many changes in the wind during one start. It's incredible. But good wind.
As usually in Tallinn, it's hard, especially when it's offshore winds. It's like shifty and gusty, and we expected 4 to 5 meters, like 10 knots, but in the end I think it was 15, maybe even 20. So yeah, hard day.
Ilus ilm, saime 6 sõitu peetud, rahvast tuli palju, enda vorm ka vaikselt tasapisi tõuseb, tuju hea, mis siin ikka rääkida.
We have 2 days for for competitions for racing. First and the last. We had 6 races at all. 4 of them I won, so I'm really happy about this. John Caio is really good, and he was finished second. So the weather, it's fine. It's really nice, sunshine, sea, and a good wind for 2 days. It was good.